In this video, we will show you how to fix a paper jam. Usually, a red indicator means that there is a paper jam. So the first thing you want to do is you want to remove this part. You place it to the side. You grab it. You pull it off. This comes off. And all you got to do is just you got to pull this forward. If it won't open, it's because you have to pull this forward. So just push it forward until you could see that you can just tap it and it opens up. What causes this stuck is that little pin right there. Right there, that middle. So you gotta make sure it hides. You gotta keep it balanced. See, slowly it goes back in. Once it's flush, and then you close it, and it should open right away. And that's how you repair it.